Hello everyone, my name is Kanika Jindal. I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Management and Commerce, Mewar University, and I'll be teaching you banking and insurance. The course code for the same is N354. So let's first understand why are we studying this course and what is the basic objective of including this course in your syllabus. The basic objective is to provide you a basic foundation of the fundamental principles and practices of banking and insurance and other financial services and their application in practice. So in this slide, you can see the courseware. It shows the list of books which you can refer for future references. So the first book is M.N. Mishra, that is Insurance Principles and Practices. M.Y. Khan, Indian Financial System, and M.Y. Khan for Financial Services in India. So now let's discuss about the syllabus. Your syllabus has been divided into 5 units. So the first unit is about Introduction to Banking and Insurance. In this unit, we'll be studying about nature and scope of banking and insurance. What is the overview of Indian financial system and its constitution. Also, we'll be discussing about terms of banking and insurance and their use in daily business. Justification of inclusion of banking and insurance in the package of financial service. So these all topics will be covered in unit number 1. In unit number 2, we'll be discussing about development of banking system. What is the origin and development of banking system, Indian banking system? What is the present structure? That is the central banking RBI, details about Reserve Bank of India, commercial banking system, nationalized and private banks, cooperative banks, development banking system, which includes various financial institutions like NABARD, IDBI, SIDBI, etc. We'll be discussing about investment banking and international banking and the roles and functions of different types of banking. So all these topics will be covered in unit number 2, that is the development of banking system. In unit number 3, it is shown the regulatory system in banking industry, in which we will be covering all these subtopics, that is the regulatory framework governing the functioning of different types of banks, laws and enactments affecting the day-to-day banking operations, that is the collection, payment, bill discounting, bill financing and securities, etc. We'll also be discussing about various acts like Indian Contract Act, various provisions and features of Indian Contract Act, Sales of Goods Act, Negotiable Instrument Act, Evidence Act, Indian Partnership Act and Indian Company Law. In unit number 4, we'll be discussing about fundamentals of insurance and regulatory framework. What is the need and importance of insurance? What is risk management and what is the relationship of risk and return? What are various types of risk? What is qualification risk? What are the branches of insurance? Insurance business environment. What is the mathematical basis of life insurance, reinsurance cover? And what are the various regulatory and legal framework governing the insurance, and what are the latest trends regarding the insurance and various risks. So all these topics will be covered in unit number 4. In unit number 5, we will be discussing about operational aspects of financial services in banking, and we cover all these topics like types of financial services, capital market services, issue management, portfolio management, mutual funds, investing and broking, money market securities such as commercial papers, certificate of deposits, T-bills, etc., and management of short-term funds such as money market mutual funds, managing receivables, etc. So all these topics will be studied in unit number 5. So this was a brief introduction about your syllabus. I hope you understand that. Thank you and have a nice day.